Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. We are going to see how we can pay maturity deposit. So just have a look. So from the search bar, I will search one customer F-5. Now let's click the deposit and let's click to the recurring deposit amount of 100 yearly compound rate of interest you can so we have different kinds of method, so let's keep compounding yearly and for 100 days. Now calculate here. So here I will keep this as a backdated. So for example, let's say 5 June 2021. Now I will save this deposit. So here you can see deposit 3 I have created as a backdated. So let's search this B-3 from the search. So here you can see principal is 10,000, interest is 39. Now let's say customer paid one by one. So I will receive this, let's say 3,000, and I will enter the date of, let's say, July 2021. So I will receive 3,000, and after some days, let's say customer paid more 3,000 on the August 2021. So if I go to the transaction here, you can see I have received 3,000 from the borrower customer. So let's say customer is coming and he's asking for few amount back. So here I will select cash, or you can select bank, and let's say customer asking 1,000. Here in a settlement and pay, here we can the mode of payment we can mention here, and 5,000 we can pay without interest if you want, and just you want to select the date, which date you want to pay. So let's say on the 1st of June, and click to pay. Once you select this pay, just refresh the account D-3 and go to the transaction. So here you can see we have received from the customer 6,000 and 5,000 paid to him. So 1,000 balance is remaining. Now for whatever the tenure we have mentioned, the customer paying amount we need to receive one by one, and at the end of the tenure we can pay the whichever amount is remaining. So here for, let's say, customer paid 4,000 on the 5th of June. So I have received all the amount. Now if I go to the settlement page, here we can see 5,000 we need to pay because we have already given 5,000. So 5,000 plus interest we need to pay to the customer. So I will enter the mode of payment. So bank or cash. So we can select, I will select cash and pay. Cannot pay more than 1,000. So let's refresh this account D-3, and if we go to the transaction, here you can see 5,000 is the balance. Now I will go to the settlement and pay. So here select cash and pay. So we have paid all the amount, and after that we can close this deposit. So here we need to select